Hi there, my name is Gabriel and welcome back to realbraineater.com. This week I'm gonna be eating a pig head. As you can see, I'm holding it in my hand. This is an actual pig head. You can see this was the eye and this is the ear, and looks like that this was the nose. And I'm not gonna eat the whole thing. I'm gonna cut slices off it and I'm gonna eat them. I'm gonna eat raw meat. Okay, so first let me cut out a little piece of the nose. It's quite durable, you see. It's very small, but I'm gonna eat it. Okay. Okay, it's raw meat. It tastes actually tasteless. Okay, now I'm gonna cut a slice out of the ear. You can see this is a small part of the ear. And the problem is, 1 second. This is too big. I want to chew it, but I cannot. This is too tough, too durable. I'm gonna eat a smaller piece. One second. Okay, so actually there was an Eastern European tradition. People make stew of pig head. I'm not going to make a stew, but I eat it as it is. So thank you for watching my video, and that was it. Thank you, bye bye.